Why do you need a JavaScript transpiler? Imagine writing code that works perfectly today but breaks in older browsers tomorrow. That's where a JavaScript transpiler becomes your best friend. It helps you use the latest features without losing compatibility. When you start setting up JavaScript for your web projects, you want your code to be clean and modern. But not all browsers support the newest syntax and functions. For example, arrow functions or classes might not run in older versions of Internet Explorer or Safari. A transpiler reads your modern code and converts it into an older version that all browsers understand. This way, you can write in the latest style and still reach everyone. JavaScript keeps evolving, adding new ways to write code that is shorter and easier to understand. But if you try to run that code in an environment that doesn't support these new features, it won't work. That's why a transpiler is so useful. It takes your modern code and rewrites it into a version that is compatible with older browsers. For example, an arrow function in the latest JavaScript can be turned into a regular function expression that works everywhere. This process keeps your code's original intent intact while making sure it runs smoothly across all devices. When you are learning JavaScript core concepts or just starting to set up your environment, using a transpiler saves you time. Instead of rewriting code manually to fit older standards, the transpiler does it automatically. It integrates easily with build tools like Webpack or Babel, which are common in web development workflows. These tools can run the transpilation process every time you save your code, so you always have compatible code ready to go. Plus, experimenting with new language features becomes safer. You can try out the latest syntax knowing that the transpiler will convert it for older browsers. Developers also often add polyfills, small pieces of code that fill in missing functions in older environments, to make sure everything works perfectly. Overall, a JavaScript transpiler bridges the gap between modern development and the diverse range of browsers and devices. It's an essential tool that helps you write cleaner code and ensures your website functions well everywhere.